What the hell is this in my mailbox, y'all? We gotta go to the shop. We gotta open it. We gotta get there quick, y'all.
Over 800 videos to help you learn and growing. And today we're here to talk about the new Metal Instinct Clipper. And as you see, I have these two beside me. We have the all new boosted trimmer, which actually did extremely well at CT Barber Expo. I just got back yesterday. And we have the Instinct Metal shaver, which is doing some crazy high numbers on Instagram. One of them got like 1.2 million views. This thing is a beast. I think it's easy sometimes to look at YouTube as a numbers game and to just see the views as like the most important thing. And I think I might have even lost sight of like what I really wanted to accomplish with this channel at times. Meeting all of you guys at CT Barber Expo, having you guys come up and shake my hand and tell me that, you know, I really made a difference. I really impacted the learning. A lot of you told me you play these videos at barber schools and all this nice stuff. And I have never got more flowers than this in my life. I've never been recognized like this ever. And CT Barber Expo was just a really special show to me. That was my first time ever going there. I got to go on the main stage. I got to go on teach a class with like 300 people in it. We did that clipper over comb class. It was totally, I can't even tell you. But let's get back to the video. I'm gonna make a separate video about CT Barber Expo experience coming down the pipe. So, all new Metal Instinct. Let's talk about the features really quickly. 4 hours of runtime, micro USB charging. You get the stand and you get the lids. And of course, my favorite lid was definitely gonna be that white one. Right off the rip, I put that on there. You get the stretch bracket and a couple extra levers. So we're gonna talk about what I like about it. Is it right for you? Should you upgrade? And let's get right into that conversation. So the moment I popped these cases off to put that white lid on, I noticed when I went and got my old Instinct, the entire circuitry was completely redone. I don't have no inside information on how these things are done. I just get them, I tear them apart, and it's kind of what I do. So I take my #1 rated screwdriver from Amazon, I put the white lid back on, and the first thing I want to do is put that all new diamond cut blade on it because I've been experimenting with that on a couple different clippers, and I really just can't get enough of it. What the diamond plate pattern does is it actually straightens out any type of curly hair, and it shoots it up into the cutter, and it's just really fun to work with. Not to say that the Vapor blade doesn't do that as well. The taper blade works good too. It's just, this was the new thing and I decided to start using it. These blades will be back in stock soon. And I know some of you guys are gonna be wondering when this is available. The Metal Instinct actually should be available at the Orlando premiere show. We're probably going to have a few and I would love to meet you there. And you know, we could kick it. You guys can ask me anything you want. And I will be doing a class with Johnny B as well. So you guys can feel free to sign up for that class. Moving forward, the only thing that I was a little bit disappointed about was unlike the boosted trimmer, this one has a USB-C charging option. This one still has the micro USB option. At first, I was a little disappointed about it, but when I traveled my way to CT, I realized I could bring my sabers, my Metal Instinct. I could bring quite a few things that I could charge with just one cable. So that's what I did. So at the end of the day, it really wasn't the end of the world. I could charge my Rebels with it and you know, I don't have to pack that extra cable. But it would be nice to see them move to the USB-C cable. So after I got my #1 rated screwdriver back out, I put the lid back on. The first thing that I wanted to do was go and test it. And I'm looking around the shop and the only person who really needed a cut was Sonny. And Sonny can be a handful. What's wrong with you, bro? You did give me a little bit. You gotta be kidding me, bro. I know you're doing this on purpose. So as you can see, he's jumping and acting a fool, but really this thing is working phenomenal and I'm very happy with how it's going. Some of you guys were there with me live for that haircut. And if you guys haven't been paying attention, I've been just popping up, doing lives. I've been doing full tutorials, every step included. And feel free to join me. I'm gonna keep doing that. So smash that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up and drop a comment if you guys are gonna be getting the Instinct Clipper. All out, you guys. If you have never been to CT Barber Expo, you really got to show up. This has been such an amazing show. It's been so inspiring. A lot of you guys are afraid to take a little bit of time out of your schedule and come up here. So I want to shout out the sponsor of today's video, Booked In. You guys can head over to bookedin.com/Eddie and redeem your offer for 50% off your first 3 months. I was able to set my schedule and come here and network with all these people, and I really feel like this experience is going to last a lifetime, and I'm never going to miss CT Barber Expo. So get off the couch, man, and check out this company, bookedin.com. So who is this for? Should you upgrade? And let's break that down. I would say if you have the Instinct X, or if you already have an Instinct, you might not want to do this upgrade, but you will enjoy it, and I'm going to tell you why. Do you remember when you were cutting with a pair of Magic Clips and then you got a pair of Seniors, the cordless Seniors? There was a weight increase, there was a quality increase, and this is exactly how this sort of feels. If you want to get it, I know you're going to enjoy it, and I know you're going to probably like these lids, because these lids, they really look dope. If you're a beginner barber and you're not really used to doing fades or anything like that, I might recommend something a little more forgiving. Like get an Ergo, get a Rebel, get a Boosted. There's a couple other options that you could get that are not as powerful as this, because this has the vector motor, and the vector motor will speed up when it senses resistance. And what that kind of means is it's going to continue to run at 11,500 strokes per minute no matter what it encounters. Bulk removal will be extremely fast and efficient, but when you're fading, when you're new, you might go up into a section, make a mistake, and there's not going to be as much forgiveness with this clipper. Now, if you're a person who has never purchased a clipper with an Instinct motor in it, you're looking for something to debulk with, do clipper over comb with, and you want to get some efficiency, you want to speed up your game, look no further. This would be an excellent one to start with. I will warn you, if you don't pre-order these, there's a really good chance you won't get them. I mean, I think the majority of the ones that are coming in this particular shipment are pretty much spoken for. So I would definitely hit that pre-order form and try to get one right away. And if you can't get one through them, you can always try some of the distributors. I would definitely point you over to Williamsport Barber Supply. You can use my code Eddie10 and you'll save 10%, and I'll put a link in the description for that. And also, if you guys can get them directly from Stylecraft, you'll actually save 15% if you use the code Eddie. So as you can see, I did a couple of haircuts with them. I really love using these clippers. These are definitely going to be my number one, my main go-tos right now. And if you guys see this particular haircut, I'm going to be dropping a full, really detailed tutorial. As I said, I was so inspired by all of you at CT Barber Expo. It makes me want to take things to the next level. It makes me really want to just redouble my efforts and try to educate everybody. I don't even really got the words to describe how all of that made me feel. I feel truly blessed, and I really appreciate all of you guys for rocking with me as long as you have. Let's talk about these real quick, and then I'm going to get out of here. When it comes to the Instinct shaver, if you guys haven't seen that full video, you can check it out. But I'm just going to say, working with this has really been a joy. It's extremely fast, it's extremely powerful, and it's very efficient. And I don't see any reason why you wouldn't want to do this, because when you really get right down to it, doing high skin fades, which I actually do a lot of, it can take a while to get it all the way down to skin and get ready to go into the blend and pick up your clippers. So if you're looking for something that's going to save you some time on each haircut, think about how that adds up. The day, the week, the month, the year. There are definitely some products that are coming out right now that you can't even afford not to get. And I think that the Instinct shaver is definitely one of them. Now, when it comes to the boosted trimmer, a lot of you guys seen us using this on the stage at CT. We were just mowing through the bulk. One of the things I really like about this is how flat the body is. It makes it a little bit easier for me to get the line up straight across the top of the head. And I love the way it turns on. It turns on exactly like the Rebel and a lot of clippers do. You just click it with your finger, and there's something really satisfying about that. It also has a really nice place to your thumb, and I'm kind of feeling the gold lid. But of all those features, one of the main features why I like it so much is this is actually the strongest super torque rotary motor that Stylecraft and Gamma has. It's an 8,000 RPM motor, and it has a lot of torque, so it will help put hair on the floor quickly. Another kind of crazy feature about this that I actually really like is the fact that it has a removable hanging hook. You'll actually notice if you look at some of my videos, I've broken off some of these hanging hooks because I just can't stand seeing them there. I like when it's flat on the bottom, and I like that I can literally just set it up on the table. You know, sometimes you work, I can make such a mess on my station. I don't really have a lot of space. So sometimes I do like to be able to just set it down like that and keep it moving about my day. But for a $150 price point, I think this is a pretty fair offering, and I think you'll like it. Overall, great trimmer. Some really great and exciting stuff is coming down the pipe, so definitely keep it locked. And if you guys are interested in the CT Barber Expo debrief, keep it locked here. We're going to be dropping that video very soon, and definitely going to be popping up doing some lives. So with that being said, this is the YouTube Barber Academy. I'm Mr. Eddie Barber, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. And please don't forget, follow that new Instagram at YouTube Barber Academy. Love you all, and I'll see you soon.